Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. We're going to make a toner today with just two ingredients. This is great for summers and will help keep your skin feel clean, fresh, and balanced. So, what you'll need is about 1.5 cups of water, 3 whole licorice sticks, and you could gently rinse them, and about 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. So we'd start off by pouring the water into a saucepan and bringing the water to a simmer. And once it begins simmering, you would drop in the 3 licorice sticks and about 1 tablespoon of cloves. Give everything a stir, and once it comes to a boil, cover the saucepan with a lid. You could reduce the heat and bring it to somewhere between low and medium flame and let it boil away for about 25 to 30 minutes. So, licorice, as we've discussed in the previous videos, is a big boon for the skin. It reduces hyperpigmentation, fades scars, blemishes, and marks from the skin. It brings a natural radiance and glow to your skin. It's also anti inflammatory in nature. It's good to help build the collagen in your skin, and it's suitable for all types of skin. Cloves help your skin look youthful as they prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also increases blood circulation, which directly or indirectly ensures that you have a youthful and radiant looking skin. Cloves are also high in antimicrobial and antifungal properties, so they can help stop the growth of bacteria on the skin's surface, and that would, in turn, prevent your skin from getting breakouts and acne. So, clove is great as an anti acne remedy as well, especially for the summers. So, after about 30 minutes, turn the stove off, remove the lid, and let the whole mixture cool down. You could stir it maybe once. And once it cools down, filter the liquid into a clean spray or a mist bottle, and you could store this in a cool place in your home and use this for about 45 days without any problem. Because we have cloves in this, which is antimicrobial and anti-fungal, so you won't really have to worry about this getting any form of mold or this growing bad as quickly. So I hope you try this out. This toner would both hydrate your skin, balance your skin, and would act as a protective shield or barrier on your skin with the properties of cloves and licorice that we just went through. So I hope you give it a try, and if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.